Alright guys, welcome on back to the Armoured Pig. Today we're going to be reviewing the July 2022 Critical Dice's XL Endless Bag of Dice. So here's the package, beautiful as always. Yeah, I had to pre-open it, couldn't hold myself. But I'll just dump everything out here and get it organized real quick for you. So, get it right side up. We've got the Tempered Magma Dice, an Artificer button, and the Magic Forge dice that are coming through with these ones. So, let's take a look at them. What do you say? First thing here is the Artificer Science die, not dice, it's a button. Very beautiful in my opinion. And then these are the Magma Forge dice. They are absolutely beautiful. We got that granite-like structure looking gray in there, metallic gray with a very beautiful burnt orange. Again, my favorite color. Let's go and give them a listen. What do you think? So they roll. They sound like dice. Let's do it again. A little spinaroo. Does that count as a critical? And whoo, that one landed right on top. I could do that again if I tried. Alright, now we are back to the next set. Very beautiful color of, we'll call it honey. You can actually read these dice, which is nice. So, yeah. That one got a little out of control from me. Let's check out both of them together. So, Tempered Magma dice. This dice set here, all for 16 something a month. I don't get paid to do this. I just really like their subscription thing. So please subscribe to them and subscribe to me. If you like what you're seeing or want me to improve, please like and subscribe. On the left side is all my different social media. You can find me there. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for listening. See you later.